Well, now to an update on a contract controversy in Oakland County. Michigan State Police say they will not investigate how Oakland County awarded a $500,000 IT contract to one of its own employees, even though that is against county policy and against state law.
7 News Detroit investigator Heather Catallo first told us about that massive contract back in October. This morning, 7 News Detroit reporter Brittany Toulis is joining us live from Oakland County. And Brittany, why is MSP saying that they will not be investigating this?
Alicia Keenan, Michigan State Police says they've looked into those allegations and determined that they don't require criminal investigation. But some county commissioners are still demanding to see that full investigation done by the outside law firm. They say as of now, commissioners and police have only seen a 3-page summary of that investigation done by county lawyers.
I'm not done with this issue.
Oakland County Commissioner Michael Spiz says he wants to see the full outside investigation. It found this June $450,000 county staffing contract with Zaid Logic LLC violated state law. It's because a county employee owns that company. The contract canceled before it was paid. Executive Dave Coulter's top deputy saying in an October meeting they're not referring the case to law enforcement.
The investigation did not find any evidence of attempts to defraud the county.
I'm disappointed, frustrated. I'd still like to see the report, the actual Mill Canfield report that's out there. They haven't seen it either. Nobody's really pushed to get access to that.
The contract was for the county's Courts and Law Enforcement Information Systems, or CLEMIS. It lets police share information across the region. A July whistleblower email alerted county officials to the contract, initiating that investigation. An outside law firm charged the county almost $18,000 to do it. Instead of releasing the raw findings, County Executive Coulter released a 3-page summary made by the county's lawyers, not the law firm's investigation itself. Possibly in those pages, who okayed the illegal contract.
I have never received a filtered report, especially when we claim that we're paying an outside firm to provide the thorough investigation. It seems pretty absurd.
I found out from the Michigan State Police they were not willing to open an investigation after discussions with the AG's office.
Biz made his own police report after learning county officials weren't referring the case. Michigan State Police Lieutenant Michael Shaw says the allegations didn't require criminal investigation. Officials say the county didn't see any financial loss and acknowledged it should have been caught. But Commissioner Spiz says that's not enough.
So at this time, I'm looking for other opportunities or other options that we can do to hopefully get a hold of that.
And that investigation is believed to have months of employee interviews, texts, and emails. 7 News Detroit investigator Heather Catallo has also tried to get her hands on that investigation herself, filing multiple Freedom of Information Act requests. Those requests getting denied. Heather even filed a repeal to those requests. That got denied as well. For now, outside of Oakland County, I'm Brittany Toulis for 7 News Detroit this morning. Alicia and Keenan.
We know you'll keep on top of this story, and we know Heather will keep digging. Thank you, Brittany.